What's up, guys? What's up? Trading view setup settings. Yeah, I do have few videos actually, Walter Lee. Check it out. So I think I have a trading view setups like how to add. I can even go over right now, but I will add. I'll. But I do have a video. Just look into go to my channels, click on videos, and click on trading view, and I will make some. Morning. Uh, I really don't see any good setup mostly. Let's see how the market opens. Pretty much, okay. This is kind of going down, but let's look at the moving average, like 100 day. No, not the volume. Okay, 40. Man, this is like way up, like 100 days still have a lot of room to. QQQ, okay, it's above 100 day actually. What is it, 50 day right now? Okay, so 50 day. So I think it's in like really key level, right? 320 plus will be 320 is basically 50 day. Right now we are right around 319, so above 50 days, right? So most of the money, like so many studies have found, right? Most of the money is made when the stock is above 50 day. Look at that, right? 50 day like choppy, but look at here. Right bounce of 50 day, it went up to like literally when it, even if you sold it right here, look at that, you wrote from 280, you sold it somewhere around 390. That's a 40 points, right? Within few months, November, December, January, February. So 3-4 months, right? That's 40 points, like 10-12%. That's a great return in couple months for the Qs, right? And usually during that period, if you look at like other stock, right, they usually perform really well. So yesterday was pretty good day. Today, if I think today, if we have a day like yesterday, we will definitely in a uptrend. That's when you basically start buying call, look at the opportunities, what's beaten, look at the good chart setup. Otherwise it's all over and it's not that great. Yeah, morning guys. Morning everyone. Hope you guys are having a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me see what's. Wait for uptrend pattern. Okay. Yeah. I think like we'll probably have like let me see what's happening, right? Okay. Futu is right around 50 days. So it could be actually good time actually. Last times it hit 50 day. It had a monster run. Hmm. I'm gonna post that right here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So what are you guys looking for? Like what tickers you guys looking like? Is there any good tickers? Comment and I will see. And if you want me to chart something, let me know. I can go over there. Futu is right at 50 day. So a little bit close, a little bit below, but if it holds above that, that would be kind of good signs. Otherwise, probably don't want to get. You want to wait for 100 days. So depending, Baba has been really down, not even touching it. Like Yeah, see pins, right? It's rejected 50 days. Like try to get to 50 days, it's kind of rejected. So basically after it break the 50-day, that's when I think like more potential is gonna go. DKNG is really strong, right? DKNG has been really strong even in this just cause like opening and whatnot. But look at that. After this 50-day, 46 moves like really continuously up, but you just need to make it right. And whenever it hit 50 days, like perfect buy right here, goodbye, right here, goodbye, right here. It really bounced pretty bad, pretty good. So you gotta look at the stocks. Like different stocks react differently. So whatever reacts, great. That's good. Sense and Roku. So SENS, never heard of that. SENS. Okay, it's kind of some kind of holding. Oh wow, wow. Well, the time would have been like you get in right around this breakout that it was creating that base, then massive growth right around here, this breakout, or even 50-day above. Right now, it's like a time to sell actually, right? So it has done its run literally from 40 something to here. So I wouldn't really buy here, but I'm gonna look at Roku. Roku had some great news. So Roku had a strong uptrend. You can see this line like really strong uptrend. It broke that. That's when you basically sell it. Now it's kind of consolidating. Look like a bear flag to consolidating. So I won't really get in right below, but I'm looking for like maybe 400 plus. That would be good for Roku. But I think if you are looking for really long terms, I definitely like Roku. I think it's good. Seems like this is a support like this 324. That's probably the bottom I feel right now. Tesla, Apple. Okay, I'm gonna look into Tesla. Tesla had to cross this 705, 704, 705, right? Right now we are at right in the middle, so there's not really much risk reward. So I won't really like. Maybe you can look at the intraday setup and see. But right now, if you see it's go 705, I think it will probably run to 718, 719. Once you break, that's when definitely it's gonna test this 50-day 770 or 50-day as well as like a 40. That there's some resistance right around 64. So right now it's in this area, right? Anything below this 59, yeah, 54 I would say, right? 54, I think we are heading to 610 again, right? So it's in range area, but Tesla has been really like monster run. It does need some rest, so it will probably hang out in this area for a while. Apple. Yeah, Apple also below 50 days. It needs to bridge this 125 level for the any upside. 125 probably it's gonna push to 130, but right now it's still struggling. The market just opened, seems like. So we have some clear pictures. I don't see um, any big runner or something. Put on a little bit. Same things. Chart still needs to be really set up. Don't see any great chart. So what was that? I saw some 10%. Or was that a bug? Oh, it's probably delayed because of some shit. Okay, Futu is going down. Okay, TOC SPY is pretty flat. Okay, FTCH. Okay, FTCH key area, right around 50. So if it crossed that, that's a good sign. That's when morning. Skills. Everybody love. I think it's a great time to get skills. Yeah, I think I think it's a great skills. It's really, if you are thinking a long term, sleep is great, right? I wouldn't really trade right now. It's just right here, but yeah, I think yeah. Oh wow! So we had a quite a wow. That was good buying actually. Not much selling. So that was some institution loading up right here. I'm in skills, so I sold some puts. I have some warrants. But I think I like skills. I think it's a great time to add leaps. Leaps is basically in long dated options. If you look at Robinhood, just easier to show. Some people says don't use Robinhood. They don't like me cause I use Robinhood, but uh, not judging anyone. But I just wanted to show you guys skills leaps looks pretty good. Um, yeah, I think it's cheaper. Buy call. We are buying leaps, so all you can do is December, so not really a leap, but close enough. So basically, if you have money, you can get 20s for 10, even if you have a lot of money. So this is basically you're paying 26, almost 26, 65 for, so 1600 for almost like 100 stock, right? So that's a great, almost like, right? So it's a 1-to-1 at the expiration. So you'll make a lot of good returns in this one if you have money. But if you don't have much, you don't have 1600. If you want a cheaper, you can go like maybe 30, which is not bad actually. 855, right? Delta is probably like 63. Yeah, that's awesome actually. Like something about it. Yeah, actually you could get yeah, that's about, yeah, I think this is even better actually. If your skills moves, you making like 61 dollar per dollar move, right? So $10 you made 600. That's almost 100%, right? So for skills, if you look at the all-time high, it was almost like a 44. So that's totally possible. And it just because of the offering they had like kind of bad, but they were like 32. So I definitely like skills, but long term, not short term. Short term below 50 days something, so it can hang out here for a while, like a month or something, right? Unless they get some good news, good earnings done. So we have, so after earnings, like it went up, so pretty good. But yeah, I would say Apple 125. AI and FM, I think I like it. AI, oh man, man, wow, I didn't see that one. I don't have AI, but I was kind of looking, like I was looking at right here. I saw it, like damn, I missed it, but I guess not. How was their earning? Bad probably. How is their revenue? It was like 156. 7 billion. 100, revenue is really less actually, but yeah, I need to deep dive into it. But yeah, this looks cheap though. Wow, yeah, I didn't see that, but yeah, chart doesn't, like I wouldn't really, you buy on that. So if you're trading, you don't buy when it's down. Like think about it, like you bought this one, oh, it's like really low and it goes here, and you bought like bro, oh, I got a good price, and it goes like, yeah, it just goes down. You want to look at the good uptrend when it is start, right? That's when you want to buy a call. And right now it's just like going down. Maybe break out of this 92 base, maybe good time to short it. And look at that, it went down, then it kind of tested that one, then went rejected and went more down, right? So I wouldn't really buy anything right now, though. I need to look into the company, like if it's a great company or whatnot, but maybe I'll check that. But yeah. So I think, what's the other ticker somebody says? AFM. Yeah, don't try to catch off. Yeah, that's what happens. I think I like, yeah, I was looking at their numbers. I like their numbers, they are not bad actually. And uh, actually if you look at that, it was holding that level, bounce off, holding that level, bounce off, so it's still in a good area, right? So 73 to 80, uh, just cause like if it goes like all-time high 142, almost like 100%. So I think this is a lot better than the AI. I think the chart also not really, like at least it's holding some level, right? So But think about, like, if you get in, if you are even in leaps, if it goes below this, I'll just get out, like below maybe 70, right? Stop. So yeah, 80, 70 stop. So probably, like, depending upon delta, you lose 5 or 700. But you need to have a plan, right? Unless you absolutely believe in a company, like, yeah, you're gonna hold it for 5, 10 years, probably doesn't matter. Oh, wow, apps is green, man. This is a sign of this thing's barely pushed to 50 days, and man, and if you follow me, I was preaching about this during like 40s, yeah, somewhere around there, 30s, 40s, and if you got in, I do have some leaps. Yeah, market looks like kind of like I don't see any good setup. I like SE. I think SE long term, if you are thinking, I think it's still great time. I've been kind of telling SE good bounce from 10 to 10 is like great, but 222 is not too bad. I think SE is really great. Okay, why is it? Okay, UAL. So UAL, United Airlines. So money was flowing from other tech sectors to the airlines, and finally, see, now you have a QQQ going down. When that happens, usually this sector rotation that's come, seems like it had a so it had a gap on the downside. Okay, it opened and kind of filled on the upside, but right here, so yeah, almost filled the gap. So it did fill the gap. So today could have been good one, 57 to 57.90. The premium are not that expensive, but AL right now, I mean, before it was a good, but I think right now we are almost like 63, so a little bit there, but I think AL is not great in terms of airlines. Like if you look at the Delta or Southwest, they have a great numbers, great things, but nothing crazy. Chart looks fine. I don't see any good. Uh, Maybe if it hold this 56 levels, you see this 56 level. Actually, we are right here, so you can get in and have a stop right around here if you want to, but not a big fan of airlines though. I do have a BA though, wanna see BA. Okay, 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 okay. Finally, it's so my I'm planning to cut, like, I'm profit, but if it goes below, I'll just cut it out, like, cause it can go down for a long time, and maybe get back in, but that's what my but I've been holding this from like 150, 160, so leaves. So BA looks fine today. Wow, put on is slowly growing, going. That's fine. Yeah, I don't see it like any grid. Let me see what I see for Neo. For a small account, maybe. Yeah, it's been like falling knife, man. It's just going down, down, down. 42. Eh, so it's, but if you're selling premium, it's really good. It's been range bound between like literally 45 to 40, 42. So if you go a little bit below, credit spreads are uh, 50 to 55. I think the premium are not that great, but it's just like kind of in this area, literally from 60, 65 to 40. So seems like it has found that level, like 40 to 45 so level. So you can actually do a little bit of credit. But one thing is, like, you don't have to, like, a lot of people's like, you want to trade every day, you don't have to trade. Like, I literally don't see a lot of good setup, so I'm not trading much, actually, like looking for the opportunity for long term. But I really don't see much good setup. Okay. Yeah. So what else do you think is wrong with, first leg so far? VW. Man, that name itself seems like it'll get weird. I'm gonna look into G and Baba. Oh, Volkswagen. Yeah, I heard Volkswagen. Oh wow, wow. First leg down, kinda. I think it does need. Oh wow. I didn't notice, but man, volume is coming up. So it's a OCT, didn't know, but oh wow, look at this, right? One of the sign you wanna see is like, look at this volume, like literally not traded, and right now out of nowhere, like there was a little bit of interest, little bit of interest, little bit of interest, and look at that. This is good volume, right? Like so, volume is clearly increasing. So some big players are buying into it, right? So you have a red day, like but still it's a gap up day, then huge volume. So really interest coming in. So this looks like not too bad actually. So I would like break off this all-time high of 42 will be really good, right? So then you can just have a stop a little bit below like 38 or something. Yeah, 38 $2, then kind of ride it, right? But it has run from almost 20, so I was seeing, but man, it's quite a run. Okay, yeah, yeah, okay, didn't knew that, but yeah, Volkswagen, it's just the electric, right? So yeah, they looks pretty good. So GE Baba Patton, I'm gonna look into GE Baba Patton. Right. So this is right when you're looking at the stock. This is a good stock in the sense like it's above 50 days. Like, and if you wanna see more, then I'm gonna look into this EMAs. Right. So I'm gonna look into the EMA and look at that how it works. Right. This is a short term EMA 8 days. This is 21. So it's holding that short term. Right. So this is short terms like good stocks uptrend. It's a good time to add in. So you add it right here 11 went up, went down 1240, you add it, went up. So you have this 13 and it's trying to break in. Just get out, right? You get out, you saved it, right? You're not at 12 back to. So you started 10 or 11, you got out, right? Right now it's kind of consolidating, so it's right between 20. So let's see if it holds, but if it holds and goes above, then maybe you can add in right at 7. But this is, yes, you can, but G is very slow though, so I don't like that. I mean, it doesn't move that much. Baba put on Costco. Yeah, that's good. I don't know. Yeah, probably. So put on Baba Costco. So what I'm gonna do with Baba? Baba is also another one. The Chinese, like a lot of regulatory. Seems like it has found a support of 225. Seems like a absolute bottom. I think it's a long term. If you're looking like it's a great company, but man, with China, you don't know like what they're gonna do. So be careful with that. Again, just the president, I don't know, like it could be the political things could get worse, bad. So that's the only things concerning. But other than that, Baba looks really great at this price for long term though. Short term, it's above all the numbers, so I'm not gonna look into it. So Costco, Costco is my favorite. I love Costco. I love their pizza, cheap, good, right? And chart doesn't look that pretty though, but man, uh, seems like it's kind of going uptrend. So if you look at trend, so it finally went this short-term uptrend, kind of starting bouncing up this level. So maybe if it touches here 30 31, could be a good one. Volume coming in, so that's good. So I think maybe sell off seems like a done, so it's probably gonna go up. So what else was, yeah, you can actually convert that to calendar. That way you just make some. I think, I was seeing somebody, he made so much money in selling credit spread in what do we call GME, cause the IV is so high, he was getting so much premium and he made so much money. uh, put on. I'm gonna look into the put on. Okay, put on. See, that seems like an absolute base, like this 90. We had the same thing before. We had a huge rally from there, almost 60-70%. So it's kind of in the same area. I think Put-on is a great company. So if you are looking for long, so if you are planning like maybe like 6 months out is pretty good, but have your stop right around here. After it goes below 95, 96, definitely out. Other than that, 6 month out, even 2030, right? 2030 debit spreads like couple months, 3 months, 3-4 months out, because it does take sometimes November to almost December. So November, December, 2 months, like 2-3 months out. It's not bad. If it doesn't do well, just get out. But it's above for day trading and even weekly trading, it's above all these averages, so I don't like that. Oh, UNH. So okay, UNH. Okay, I'm gonna look into RLX. Man, this SNDL is like Crapola. Okay, UNH. So Anthony said UNH. Oh yeah, yeah. I love this. See, this is great actually. So something to trade. I may actually take some position, but I'm gonna even. So EMAs all looks good. So I'm gonna remove. Moving average don't even need to do. It's way below. But uh, if you look at this, okay, this I like. So good volume increasing. So UNS 65. Okay. Yeah, I really like UNH. You can actually get in. Let me see. I'm gonna show you like maybe some good calls. Have a plan. I have to credit Anthony said, but I'm gonna post here too. So yeah, 64, 65. Maybe yeah. If it goes below, I'm gonna out. So maybe 65 out, right? 365, right? So always have that stop at 365. And let's look at UNH options. UNH looks good. So if you look at the options and probably looking for debit spread, so don't want to do weekly, we're gonna give some time. 1 2, yeah, even do April 16th, right? So let's say 70 75, buy call, sell put, 370 to 375, right? So 235. I'm gonna post in the channel too. This looks good. So if you want to get in, so some people's looking into, so you need to have a plan, right? So why you are getting it? Cause it break the all-time high. Also big volume coming in, right? Big volume, big volume. So that was a good big volumes and broke out, right? And now there's no guarantee, right? It may not work out, right? It may just die down. So what you do, if it goes 365, you get out. So you paid 250, so you lose like $50, right? So you lose some money, right? Nobody wins all. You don't have to win all. But if it goes above, you make some good money. That's all. That's how it works, right? Make sense, guys? I think everybody got the exact play if you wanted, but yeah. I like Bitcoin, of course, but yeah. But I'm in SOS, kind of playing the train. I almost made like the whatever I put in, so I'm just selling calls and whatnot. Are you beating up? Also, what keywords are you using? Those clicks sounds amazing. Oh, this is one of those like mechanical. But yeah. Do you like Bitcoin miner? Okay, RKT. Is it RKT is beat? Oh wow, it's wow. It went 41 and it's back to 24. Yeah, I'll be buyer at 20s, but I think it's pretty decent price actually. Like not too bad, but I didn't knew that. Oh wow, but maybe. I think short is pretty high still. So if that happens, you can make. Did you sell like I think were you not the Jason when the I think you had like 800 and 900. Did you sell at the top like I mean not top but did you sell when we had the hues up? At least those times what I would do is like I will sell some, I'll keep some. And you reminded I want to look at the UPST. So UPST, okay, oh okay, that's good, not bad. Yeah, because I sold right, yeah, I sold right around here like half of my positions and I still had some, so I'm still writing those. But man, yesterday I was like, man, I should have just kept those too. But there's like 10,000, 15,000 plus, like I could have made like in a one day, but oh well. But today a little bit down, so it's like okay, stocks just don't go up, I guess. Let's see, fetch photo, blah 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 blah. It's is coming up. So not really, not really any great setup. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for coming to my live. I will maybe come tomorrow and day after tomorrow, just maybe go over market and everything. Also, if you have any question about, oh, that's awesome, Jason. That's awesome. You picked the right time. Also, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, follow me in other social media too. And if you have any question or comment, let me know. Also, if you want me to make any video, want me to cover something, let me know. That's it for today. Thank you.